Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Welcome back to Santa's Workshop TV. Today I'm counting down my top 5 funniest Christmas movies, the holiday films that always make me laugh, no matter how many times I've seen them. And number 5, Home Alone. Poor Kevin McAllister left behind for Christmas, but don't worry, he knows how to handle burglars. Those silly traps always crack me up. At number 4, it's Elf. Buddy the Elf spreads Christmas cheer by singing loud for all to hear, and by making everyone laugh along the way. Number 3 is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Clark Griswold's holiday plans may go up in smoke, but the laughter just keeps on coming. And number 2, the Santa Claus. When an ordinary man accidentally becomes me, things get pretty funny and a little magical too. Ho ho ho. And my number 1 pick, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. That silly Grinch may be grumpy, but he sure knows how to make us laugh before his heart grows 3 sizes. Ho ho ho. So there you have it, my top 5 funniest Christmas movies. Home Alone, Elf, Christmas Vacation, The Santa Claus, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Each one is full of laughs and holiday cheer. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Santa's Workshop TV for more Christmas fun. Merry Christmas, everyone! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.